Hi everyone, it's Ms. White, and I'm going to show you how to fill out your Unit 0 reflection. Okay, so as the directions say, you're going to put your answers in the boxes below each question. There are 2 pages. Use as much detail as you can. There's an example here, and I'll also give you my own examples. This is a summative, a test or project grade, and you'll only get points for questions you answer completely. So at the bottom, you'll see that each question is worth 1 point, and question number 6 is worth 2 points because there's 2 parts to it, and this is how you will be graded on it. So if you answer all these questions and completely and thoughtfully, then you're going to get an A on this assignment. Okay. This first question, using a scale of 1 to 10, rate how well you think you did in the last unit. 1 is really bad and 10 is amazing. So when I look at the pacing tracker and I find myself Miss White, okay, I was supposed to finish the .4 lesson, but I only finished the .2 lesson. So I'm going to give myself a 5 or a 6. I think I'm going to give myself a 6 because one day I was sick and I'm pretending I'm a student, guys. And why did you give yourself that rating? I only finished half of the lessons. I was sick, but I could have worked on it at home. Okay. What was the most challenging or difficult part of Unit 0 for you? I would say I got stuck on the first boss battle for a whole class period. If you could do Unit 0 over again, what would you do differently? I would watch the Edpuzzle video at the top of the boss battle. Usually I put the video for that lesson at the top, just in case you want a review. And I'm pretending that I'm a student who I just kept getting the boss battle questions wrong, but I didn't do anything to learn. I just was like randomly guessing over and over again. So if I was going to do this again, I would watch the Edpuzzle video at the top of the boss battle if I didn't pass the first time. Like just to see, okay, I need to know these things and then watch for those things. Okay, question 5. You now have a fresh start on a new unit. Pick 2 things that you're going to work on during the next unit. Write your own, or you can choose 2 of these. So I'm going to pick staying on pace because I didn't. I ended the unit off pace, like behind pace. And I'm also going to work on staying after school for extra help. Because like if I had stayed this last week, I could have finished. Okay. Why did you choose those 2 answers and how will you improve? Okay, so why I chose, so do you guys see how this lines up with this? So I chose to work on staying on pace. Why did I choose that? I was behind pace at the end of the unit. How I will do it. I will work after school if I'm behind pace. Okay. Why I chose the second thing I'll work on. So I also chose staying after school for extra help. Sometimes it's hard to work on my own if I get confused. So I can work while Ms. White's there. This is really weird to talk about myself like this. And she can help me if I get stuck. How I will do it. I will ask Miss White what day she's staying after. It's Wednesdays, by the way. And then I will sign up during lunch. last question. What is something you did well in Unit 0 that you want to keep doing? Okay, so maybe if I'm not sure, I'm like, did I do any of these things? Yeah, I did a really good job of working with other students in the class. You can make up your own answer here, but I worked with the people at my table when I got stuck. Esmeralda and I helped each other get through the point 2 mission. Okay, so I answered everything completely. I think maybe the trickiest thing is just to know that these questions go together. So it's what are you going to work on, why, and how you're going to do it. Same with this column, what you're going to work on, why, how you're going to do it. That's it. I think you can all get an A+ on this assignment.